To get the Robinhood desktop app, start by going to the official Robinhood website. Open a web browser and navigate to Robinhood.com. Click on the Get Started button. Then select the option to download the app for your computer. You will be directed to a page where you can choose the type of computer you are using, either Mac or PC. Select the correct option and the download will begin. Wait for the download to complete. This should only take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation instructions. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Then the app will be installed on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password. Then fill out the required information. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. After you have completed the sign-up process, you will be able to access the Robinhood desktop app and start trading. You can use the app to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities, as well as track your portfolio and view your account balance. It is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the app and its features before you start trading. You can do this by exploring the different menus and options, and by reading the help documentation. By following these steps, you can easily get the Robinhood desktop app and start using it to manage your investments. Remember to always use caution when trading and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.